Hello, my people. I am clearly 99 years old, and I'm playing Sonic the Hedgehog here with my good YouTube friend Caleb Sully. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi.
Good Caleb.
You're best Caleb.
No, you best Caleb ever. Now this is the only time I've ever been able to play a Sonic game on me computers. Me skip intro. Me touch to start. The most famous hedgehog. Play for free.
It's not uploaded to my YouTube channel. Look. Look, it's not uploads.
Like what?
It's not uploads.
I think you have to reload the page. Reload the page.
My playlist, look.
Green eggs and ham.
Yes.
Reload the freaking page.
It's not gonna work. Look, watch, better.
Oof. No, you nerd. No, I don't want to play no save mode. I want to play no game. Or can I play as Tails? No, we must play as Sonic.
I know, I'm just fine.
Just shaking my leg this. No, you're on creep. How do I freaking control a game?
Look, man, you get to this thing.
Oof, it's working. I'm successfully playing Sonic the Hedgehog.
Hey guys, this is my continue of the first video.
Hi, Caleb. Me
The
freaking
BTB
Madrox.
battles.
Oh, and he's
So,
very,
let's
very
play Minecraft
good
real
at
quick.
video games.
Be quiet, man.
And by that I mean pretty bad.
Ask me about the video games.
Like, really bad.
Like, really bad dude.
Like, shouldn't
Turn
be
it
allowed to
down.
have a PS4 bad.
No, be quiet. No, that's not true.
Yes, that's true.
You need to hurry the timer.
You're not good at video game.
You're super bad at video game.
At least I can actually bet you.
I can win you.
Oofs. No. Me's the only one that can beat you.
You only took time 38 seconds on that same trash.
No, actually, that's the best time you can get. So, freaking.
Not this trash.
Oof, no, not the special stages.
Haha.
No, me best.
No, you sick. Yeah, you start that photo.
Me best player at Sonic 1.
Alright. Why?
How good am I at Sonic? Better than Caleb.
You know that they're not getting me on Sonic.
How do you collect L7 Chaos Emerald?
I don't know.
Yes, because you Trish at Sonic.
You know Trish at Sonic.
Yes.
Alright, let's get into our first game. Cause we just spend most of my time talking to Mad.
Yeah, because I'm cool.
What do you mean? Your name's Mad!
Yes. But do you know what that name comes from?
What?
It comes from a comic book. And that is
That is
freaking
not true.
weird. Yeah, it is.
Is that where your parents named you Mad Rock?
Yeah, after Jamie Madrock.
So, you don't understand.
You don't have to.
You have to understand.
Because my name is 10 times cooler than yours because it's not normal. Hey, I made it to the gold button. No get Chaos Emerald.
Orange balloon attacks, balloon traps. Okay, I don't want to do that.
That was half of me time in the video spent doing one special stage.
I really want to do art this week, but I don't have enough money. And I could do Bonanza right now, but I don't have farms.
Do Bonanza.
Fine then.
Me again, no freaking delete your channel from YouTube.
Oh. I could delete your channel from YouTube.
No, you couldn't, because I'm the only one that knows how to hack YouTube.
You do not know how to hack YouTube.
Bet.
We bet. Fine, man. Destroy Jake Paul's channel.
Sure. Just wait till the video's over. I will literally make Jake Paul have 0 subscribers. If you want me to.
That is lit.
No,
That is big fantasy.
no, that is true. I could make Jake Paul have 0 subscribers. Because YouTube is very hackable.
No, YouTube is not hackable.
Yes, I know how to hack YouTube because I'm legendary.
It's not legendary.
Yes, I'm cooler than you.
He's not cool than me.
Bet.
Bit.
Yuffie.
It's fag.
Yuffie. Free. Yuffie. You channel better than Jake Paul channel.
No, that's not true.
Yes, Jake Paul channel is trish.
About shotguns. I wonder what happens if I put my hair on fire. Like,
That's what I told you. Why you take me joke?
yeah, take anything.
Yeah, I told you that joke.
What if I didn't take anything?
Yeah, you did.
No.
Also, you have no right to call me a nerd because you're a nerd.
I'm not.
You're even more nerd.
You gamer.
Well, I mean, at least I'm good at video games.
I'm good at video games.
No, you're not.
Why?
You're legit trash. Who can complete Green Hill Zone faster, me or you?
None of us.
The answer is me.
The answer is none of us. Hey, I got a lot of time. I got a side doctor.
So you got that video game, hands down.
You fuck. You fuck.
Oh, you suck, Liz.
No, you fuck.
You suck, Liz.
You fuck.
But the thing is, you suck more.
Oh, you suck.
You suck the most.
You suck of the most.
Sicko mode?
Yes! No promise.
Yes, sicko mode.
No, November.
Not sicko mode.
November.
Ouch. Re.
I bought the light off. I told you. Call me you. Big. It's a big you. I look better than you. Cause you always suck. Cause you do. Why is it 6,000? Yeah, let me get the most papers.
Oof.
We need more minis. No, this trash.
I'm better than you at Sonic, Caleb.
I was not talking to you anyways. Nerd.
The dude you're playing against is a big nub.
Yes.
Jake Omegalo, he best. You have 2 monkey. He has so many monkey. And so many upgrade. He better than you.
No, look, I have better upgrade than him.
He maybe win.
No, he may be trash.
Look at the boomerangers.
Look, we kill him with this. Should I just send him a app?
Oh no, you don't like Marble Zone.
No.
This zone bad.
He's going to cry when I kill him. He's gonna go cry to his mommies.
Because somebody better than him at video game.
Yes.
But me better than Caleb at video game.
Yeah. You better than him at video game too.
Who's better than at video game?
Huh?
Who's better than at video games?
No one.
Yes. Except for maybe game creators.
Yeah.
But that's because they made games, so they don't count.
Big trash. Oh, me could send. You know what I could send? Look, Moth. I got sent him big ball-ups. Now he's going to cry to his mommy now.
Ooh, I just unlocked Towels. I can play as Towels now. Whoa. He's Sonic Master.
Why have to time? Hey, Matt, he lose.
Oh wow.
I killed him.
He's third at the BTD battle.
Huh?
He's third on leaderboard on BTD battle.
You wish.
But then they change it. And we lose spot. They always shift the stuff though. Like they always delete the leaderboards. Every time a new leaderboard comes out, they delete the old leaderboard.
Yeah, bring up. Bring up. Look. Yes.
Oof.
I killed him. He Trish. He big boy.
He big or is he thick? Like Kevin.
He knows sex.
You know Kevin?
He
You know. Kevin hasn't been streaming a lot recently. He made a new stream today called
Alright,
My
let's
Micro.
go play, let's go to the program.
Can I finish my video?
You could play videos and do wait for now. Look, you passed it. Now you could do it.
No.
It's only 4 minutes.
Refuse.
Okay, baby.
Baby.
Have a good time.
Have good time. You have better time.
No, you have it.
Oh, thank you. I heard the freak up. Marble Zone Act 2? Whoa. The worst act in Marble Zone? Preposterous. Me best at Sonic. All you people who are gonna give me hate comments saying that you better than me at Sonic, freaking fight me. I'm better than you at Labyrinth Zone. Oof. Feels lonely without Caleb here. He used to be a good boy, but now he's just a real boy. And real boys are trash. So Caleb is trash. But don't tell him I said that because he will come after me and kick me. What the frick he is? Oof, oof, oof. Oh no! My name is Paul Jared. Sorry, I can't say that here. It's very controversial. Because Pro Jared come at me. He's got a state trooper. I was gonna download Sonic Mania on PC. But I refuse. Because that's illegal. And Sonic Mania good game. So support it legally. And if you can't, then don't support it. Oof, e. Alrighty. 19. I have my DS with here some reason. I don't know why, I just do. It's definitely much harder to lose it now. I don't know. I was originally playing some Pokemon Diamond before this video. Don't know why, don't know how. Don't know how I actually found that cartridge, it's been years. But I did, it exists. Let's move on, alright?